Going live on TikTok and playing Mobile Legends is very easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can go live on TikTok while playing Mobile Legends. So for that you simply have to go to your TikTok application, and in your TikTok application you have to tap on this plus icon. After stepping on that option you just have to not have on the live option. It should be right here. Currently in my region it is not available, so it is not giving me that option, but as you guys can see in the image it should be like that. After that you have to not tap on this mobile gaming section. What you will do is it will start streaming all of your mobile screen on TikTok, and afterwards you have to open up your Mobile Legends game in order to stream it on TikTok. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this. Should I have 4